Now I am discussing with you mode, statistics mode. Already we have no mean, median, now mode. Mode is the value of the observation which occurs most frequently. You have to remember it is simply it occurs most frequently. It occurs most frequently. That means is here any observation with the maximum frequency. Simply you can remember it is maximum frequency. Maximum frequency means it occurs more frequently is called mode. Now we can see example. The following numbers are the sizes of shoes sold by a shop in a particular day. Find the mode. Now they are given here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7 and so on up to 7 and 6. First you can arrange them. Arrange them in order. That means first I am writing here arrange the observation in order. First you can see here what is the here first you can see here 6 is available. Now you can see here 6, 6, 6, 6. It is how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4 times repeated. So that you have to make a distribution table. 6, the size 6, how many times repeated? 4. That means the frequency of 6 is how much? 4. Next you can see 7, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 how many times? 5 times. So that I written in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times I written. So that I am writing here size 7. Frequency is how much? 7, 5 times. Next you can see 8. 8 how many times it is having? Only one time. Yes, only one time. Next you can see here 9. 9 means here 1, 2. It is only 2 times. You can write here 2. In a similar way find 10. Here 1, 2, still only 2 times. Now you can see here how many times it is repeated. See here. Now you can observe the frequencies. Size 6 occurs only 4 times. Size 7 occurs 5 times. Size 8 occurs only 1 time. Size 9 occurs only 2 times. Size 10 occurs only 2 times. Now you can see which is the maximum times repeated. 5 or not? Maximum value is 5. Which size it is? Size of the shoe is 7. That means mode of the data is 7. You can remember which occurs most frequently. That is we have answered. See here, on the occasion of New Year's Day, a sweet stall prepared sweet packets. Number of sweet packets and cost of each packet are given as follow. Now you can see first one is cost of packet. Each packet cost is one is 25 rupees, 50 rupees, 75 rupees, 100 rupees, 125 rupees, 150 rupees. Now one more is each cost packets, that means number of packets. See 25 rupee packets are sold. How many they are prepared here? 20. In the 50 packets, 36. 75 rupee packets, 32. 100 rupee packets, 29. 125 rupee packets, 22. 150 rupees packets, 11 packets. Find the mean, median, mode of the data. In the same problem, they are asked mean, median, mode of the data. See here. The observation values 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150 are biggest values. So that if you are following simple mean method, it will take time consuming. So that I am following here deviation method. Here I am following here deviation method. Now you can see first I am writing the page as here. Cost of packet as xi, number of packets as fi. That means these are all frequencies. This is the observation values. Now you can see which value can I take to assumed mean. See here I am taking here assumed mean as 100 rupees. Sorry, 100 rupees only. Now I am taking here assumed mean. That means a is equal to 100. I am following here deviation method, that is here A assumed mean is equal to 100. Otherwise, if you want, you can take A is equal to 75. There is no problem at all. You can take either 100 or 75. Now takes here A is 100, then dI is equal xi minus A. dI is equal to xi minus A. Substitute here. Xi means first observation. First observation is how much? 25. A value how much? 100. That means I can write here 25 minus 100. 25 minus 100. How much you will get here? Minus 75. In a similar way. Next. X2 minus A. That means you can take here 50 minus 100. 50 minus 100 how much? Here 50 minus 100 you will get minus 50. Next here 75. 75 minus 100 you will get minus 25. Here 100 minus 100. 100 minus 100 you will get 0. Next here 125. 125 minus 100. 125 minus 100 you will get here 25. Next here 150. 150 minus 100. 150 minus 100 you will get here 50 only. Now these are all DI values. DI values are here 75 minus 50 minus 25 0 25 50. These are all DI values. Now we have to find FI DI. FI DI means frequency values, that means 20. DI means 75. Here 20 into minus 75, 36 into minus 50, 32 into minus 25, 29 into 0, 22 into 25, 11 into 50 we have to multiply. Now you can see here 20 into minus 75. So that first I am keeping here 0. Next here 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja 14 plus 1 15. Now you can write plus into minus, you will get minus 1500 only. Next 36 into minus 50, that means first I am writing minus 50. Next here 50 into 36 means first you can keep 0. Next you can write 5 6 ja 30, 5 3 ja 15 plus 3 18, minus 1800, it is minus 1800. Next you can check 32 into minus 25, you can keep minus. Next you can do 25 2 ja 50, here 5 carry. Next 25 3 ja 75, 75 plus 5 80, that means minus 800. Next you can see 29 into 0 0 only. Next you can see 22 into 25, 22 into 25, that means 25 2 ja 50. Next here 25 2 ja 50 plus 5 55, that means plus 550 only. Next you can see 11 into 50, so that first you can keep 0. Next 5 into 11, 11 5 is 55 only. Now you can add the negative values first of all, then you can add positive values, then you can find the resultant value. See here minus 1500 minus 1800 minus 800, that means first two zeros, you can see here 0 0 0 0 0 0, can keep 0 0. Next 18 plus 8 how much? 26. 26 plus 15 how much? You will get 41, that means minus 4100. If you have, you can check here 15 plus 18 8 33, 33 plus 8 41, that's only we got here 4100. Next you can check 550 plus 550, you will get how much here? 50 plus 50 100. Next here 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 5 11. How much you got here? It is 1100, it is minus 4100. Now you can find sigma Fi di is equal, you can write here sigma Fi di is equal, first I am writing minus 4100 plus 1100, that means you will get here, this is the negative value, this is the positive value, so that you can subtract which is the biggest value, 4100, so that which is having negative symbol, so your result also negative symbol only. Now you can subtract small number from biggest number. 4100 minus 1100, you will get here how much? 3000. That means your answer is minus 3000. That is sigma fi di is how much? Minus 3000. In the similar way, see here, mean is equal formula x bar is equal a plus sigma fi into di by sigma fi. That means we have to find the sigma fi value. So that I will find here the sum of the values. Now you can see here. So sum how much? You can see 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 9 17 plus 2 19 plus 1 20. You can keep carry here 2. Next here 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 here 13, 13 plus 2 here 15. That means sigma fi value how much you got? 150. Now you can substitute these values in the formula. Assumed mean, already how much assumed mean is 100. You can substitute here 100 plus sigma fi di value how much? Minus 3000. You can substitute minus 3000 by sigma fi value how much? Just now we got 150. You can write here 150. The next step you can write there 100 plus 0 0 cancel. Here 15 you can see here 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. Next you can keep 0. That means minus 20. That means I am writing here 100 plus of minus 20. That means you can write here 100 plus into minus 20. 100 minus 20 is equal to how much? 80. That means 80 is the mean of the given data. 80 is the mean of the given data. But in the question, what they are asked, you can see they are asked find the mean, median, mode. First one completed. Next I need to find median. How can I find median? You can check it. See here. See, to find the median, first we have to write the observations and frequencies. After that, we have to find the cumulative frequency. First, you can find the sum of the frequencies. How much here? 0, here 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 9, here how much? 17, 17 plus 2, 19 plus 1, 20. You can keep 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, here 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 2, 50. That means here you how much here total sum of the frequencies? 150. Now you can see here n is equal to 150. That means 150 is an even number or odd number. Just check it. 150 is even or odd? It is even number. So that we have to find the cumulative frequencies and find that you know that how to find the median. First I am finding the cumulative frequencies. You can see here. How can I find cumulative frequency? Just you can see 20. First you can write. Next 20 plus 36. Just you can just do it. 20 plus 36. How much you can see? 56. Next 56 plus 32. That means 6 plus 2. 8. Here 5 plus 3. 8. 88. Next here 88 plus 29. That means you can just check here. If you have any doubt you can do 88 plus 29. Like that you can do. It's not a big problem. 9 plus 8 17. Here 2 plus 1 3 plus 8 11. 117. Next one 117 plus 22. If you want do here 117 plus 22. That means 2 plus 7 here 9. 2 plus 1 here 3 here 1. 139. Next 139 plus 11. You know that 150. Is it okay? Just these are our cumulative frequencies. Now I told that n is equal 150. It is even number. It is a even number. So that what is the formula of median? You know that median formula. Median of the given data. Now you can see n is equal to 150. It is an even number. You have one formula that for even number, how can you find the median? You have to find first n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observations. We need to find n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observations. Here N means how much? 150. 150 by 2. That means 150 here by 2 and 150 by 2 plus 1 observations. Now we can see here 150 by 2 means how much it is? 75th. Yes or no? 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja, 14, 2 5 ja, 50. 2 5 ja, 10. Sorry. Now we can see 2 75 ja, 150. That means 75th and 76th. 75 plus 1 how much? 76. We need to find 75th observation and 76th observations. We need to find corresponding values. We need to find corresponding values of 75th and 76th. Now you can see from this table it is 20, it is 56, it is 88. See here 75th and 76 which falls before 88 or not. That means it falls in 88th cumulative frequency. That means 75th and 76th observations which falls on here the cost of package. Here how much? Rupees 75. The cost of packet how much here? 75. So that the median of the data, you can write directly median of the given data. Median of the data is equal to 75. Your answer is 75 only. That means it is mentioned rupees 75. Thank you. Now you can see here in the question they are asked to find the mean, median, mode of the data. Already you find the mean and also median. Now you can see how to find the mode. You know that mode. What is the definition of mode here? Most frequently. It occurs more frequently or maximum times repeated. Frequency it is having how much? Maximum frequency. See here number of packets. These are the frequencies, these are the observation. Now you can see which is the maximum value. Is it 20, 36, 32, 29, 22, 11? Which is the maximum value? 36 is maximum or not? You can see it. 36 is maximum. Which frequency it is occurs? Which of this one? Cost of the packet here how much? Rupees 50. Rupees 50 occurs how many times? 36 times it occurs. So that the mode of the data. Mode of the data is equal to rupees 50. Your answer is 50 only. Mode of the data is how much? 50. We are finding mean, median, mode also. Thank you.